Oh Lord Jesus, it's a fire. Wait till you guys see what I gotta show you right now. Well, look what we have here. That's the trans, that's the shifter, and let's see what's in the back of the Dodge. Shout out to Scott again, because it's coming through like no other. Shipping me his personal T56 Magnum, while mine is getting sent back for warranty. Yes, this does mean I'll be going back down to Bakersfield to give his back eventually and put my other one in. And then we'll get on the dyno and do the fun stuff. But his gear ratios are different. So I think he has the 2.66 in first, and then the shorter fifth and shorter fifth and sixth. So I'll be able to get a feel now for both gear ratios. I can do a video on that, test driving them both. But I'm gonna swap this trans in so I can get the car driving, so I'm not out of car because I'm borrowing my girlfriend's dad's truck because I don't have a fucking truck yet. We'll figure out what the fuck happened with mine, or figure out why mine broke. No idea what happened. This input shaft, for example, spins freely, perfectly, doesn't hit anything. Mine, it runs into something, so we don't know what the fuck happened. This is also to show you can do your T56 install in the garage. Okay, so what is going on? Car's running again. That means the transmission is back in, or a new transmission is back in. We're gonna go for a little test drive and see. Kind of just pay attention to the clutch, pay attention to the shift points and stuff. Make sure that trans really had a malfunction. This one already sounds better. There's no knock, there's no noise. So yeah, it took me about 4 hours to throw the new one back in. Okay, and so far we're looking good. Well, so far so good. Scott's trans is definitely, well, initially quieter than mine. His gears are longer for sure, but it's not. Even in the beginning, like when we installed the transmission, the gearbox was really noisy. They're just making a lot of noise. Kind of like, even when it was at idle, it was just loud. This one's not that loud. I don't even have an insulation in there right now. This is literally just bare shifter, straight to the, not even a rubber boot in there, straight to the top of the trans. It's not that loud. It's funny, they said like 1 out of every 1,000 units they send out, there's a mistake, or there's a return. I got it, I guess. Fucking stupid, but crazy bad luck I get with some things, man. Oh my god, look at that Black Widow right there. Ooh, he's getting fucking crushed. Black Widow trying to fuck with me, bitch. That's what was in my transmission, is the fucking Black Widow just jumped out of there. Fucking bitch. I have successfully uninstalled and reinstalled a new T56 into my car by myself. Gotta say, the only person that actually helped me out though was Mother. She helped me lift the trans in and out with her brute force and God-given strength. No, she just maintained the jack while I was lifting it up. So it's definitely possible to do a T56 swap in your garage. Holy shit! Holy shit, that is so nice. Oh my god, I just want to eat off of it. Look at that effing thing, man. If this doesn't make somebody's penis rock hard, I don't know what would. I really am unsure, because that is the best looking thing. Oh god, so sick, so fucking sick, so just come on, man, look at that. I want to back the car up so you guys can see what it looks like next to the car, because I don't know if I'm gonna even be able to mount these yet. All right, and because it's Cinco de Mayo, which is the only American celebrated holiday in Spanish, which is weird as fuck because Mexicans do not celebrate this holiday. I know that because I work with them every day and they tell me that it's not a actual holiday and there's nothing to celebrate. They make fun of it. It's funny. I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna drink. Yo, this tire, this wheel, this mount. Oh my god. So sexy. I almost don't know what to do with myself. What I like so far is that it sticks out about as much as my other one did, which is not that much past the fender well, so I know it's going to tuck there, but it's definitely taller. So I don't know how it's going to sit against this back fender. And I didn't go with the wide 275s on the drag radial because I knew it was going to stick out way too much. These are 275 here on the street tires, so just 275s on the drag radials, or 255 by 60, 15 on the drag radios. But I mean, you can see what it looks like, man. It's, oh. We're on the ground. We're on the ground. We're lowering. We're lowering. Oh, fuck. Yeah, they fit. Oh. What are your wheel specs, bro? Weld should be giving me this fucking setup for free. Dear Lord, have fucking mercy on every poor vet, Lamborghini Gallardo, fucking Viper GTS, whatever else wants to come and see it. Once this car is tuned, we ain't losing. Oh my, unless it's to a Supra, I'll just let Daddy win. How hard is it to put in reverse? Now you, Celine, no, Celine, back up, back up, back up, back up. Bro, look at that shit. Holy Christ. Would you guys look at this shit? Dude, look at the freaking rear. God damn. Jesus God. It looks so good. Bro, look at all that turbo fucking. Oh shit. Okay, stop. All right, let me cut this off so I can give you guys some info. So far, this has been the best upgrade that I have done on the car. I lied, not the best upgrade, but the most visually pleasing. It looks so good. I'm gonna have this in the background while I speak. They are 15 by 10s with a backspace of 7.5, if I remember correctly, if you're gonna buy some. And the drag radials are 255 60-15s. You have to get the shank lug nuts. You have to have ARP studs in the back, and it'll fit the stock IS300 caliper. This is the best looking setup I've ever seen. I don't even want to put my rays back on. I just want to leave these on forever. God damn it. This is perfect. The car is hitting, it's still peaking. It's like going. This looks so fucking good. I just want to get a truck now so I can just leave this in the garage and always drive this looking like this. And only just pay for new radials every 3 days because I'll be fucking burning the fuck out. Oh man. It looks nuts. What do you think?
Yeah.
Let me see how bright it is. You didn't start recording it, did you?
Yes, I did.
Oh, let's see how bright it is. Is it blue? Oh, you're doing good. Great.
I knew.
All right, guys. So I mean, since we're doing drag stuff right now, those are so goddamn sexy. This company right here, Drag, I think it's international. I don't want to fuck up the INT. I hit him up real fast because I saw he had some floor mats for the IS300 and he sponsored the build as well. So I'm gonna mount the fucking stick. Yeah, God, it's so stupid of me to say it. I'm gonna put the sticker on the windshield in a minute. But I have had these old ass Lexus mounts, for like the longest time. I think these are probably the stock ones that came with the car. They're dirty. They're probably full of asbestos and other airborne diseases that I don't want to deal with. So I'm gonna throw in the new ones, and I think they're sick as fuck. Some people don't like them, and fuck those some people. I think they're legit. This is gonna be the driver's side. They're lightweight. They're a lot lighter than those. They may not be as like weatherproof. I bet they will be. Who the fuck knows? These are so thick and heavy for no reason. I mean.
Oh, I'm not recording.
It says you're not recording?
Just kidding.
You were. Yeah. These are made obviously, I don't know what, 20 years ago. So these are gonna be a lot newer, a lot nicer. He's not selling them for a really bad price either. $100 shipped for all four, whereas those are like $400 from the dealer for all four, I think, or maybe even more than that. These, I didn't go with yellow either because I don't want to mess with the carbon Kevlar, the stuff that's going on there. I think, oh my God, yeah, look at it. Oh, Jesus. Dude, the car is just coming together. I still have to clean it, so this is going to be like a quick throw in there, and I'll pull it out and figure everything else out. But that already looks so nice. Oh my God. I'm so stoked already.
Yeah, it looks good.
Does that look so good?
Mm-hmm. Love it.
He's bullshitting so hard. I'll put a link for his stuff in the video. I'll link it on Instagram, whatever it is. I'll post it a few times because I want you guys to see what they look like. Or I want you guys to at least see what his Instagram is, because I hit him up real fast over DM. I had him sent to me within like 5-6 minutes of contacting him. So draginternational.com, that's it. These mats are sick. They do black and blue, gray and black, white and black, red and black, yellow and black, and I think there's one more. I chose these. I wanted these ones. It still contrasts a little bit on the inside from the yellow too. The black and whites would have been nice. Yeah, but I just didn't want to go with that. They make stuff for the Subarus, I think. They do stuff for the Zs. I don't think they make them for the SCs. I'm not sure what other Lexus or Toyota cars they make them for, but they definitely do them for the IS. I know most of my followers, you guys like have IS300. So if you want floor mats for a good price, these are the fucking ones. Stop filming my ass. I know you're filming my asshole. I know you were fucking doing it dirty. Oh, wait, record again?
Too late.
And it'll match my fucking Deadpool belt. Hell yeah.
Is it okay if the wheel gets in there?
Is
Is
it
that
okay? What?
the wheel? Oh yeah, you already filmed them.
Yeah, we want those in there because this is gonna be like, I'm already like 5 videos out. This is like a drag vlog. So you're getting the drag wheels, they're mounted, they're on, and then you're getting the Drag International floor mats. I think it's kind of cool he makes floor mats because they deal with a lot of drag stuff too. So whatever. I thought it was dope. Let's see what it looks like on the inside of the car. Yeah, so now you can see the drag wheels, drag mats. Get an idea of what it all looks like. The car looks tits, right? It is coming together so well. Oh man, I love it. Love it. Clean. I feel like a new car on the inside. And then I gotta mount the Pioneer screen in there. It's gonna be even better. What are you doing? Why are you hiding? But yeah, these drag wheels guys are sick. Haha, she turned around because she thought I was recording the car. Got her ass. Easy money. You're so stupid. Come on, you at least gotta show that you're laughing. She's having a hangover day / doesn't have any makeup on. She doesn't want to show her face. You little wimp.